the first one here. Told him to open the spaceship. Ah, didn't see you there, Shadow. Alien spaceship. Ah, you were there too, Jellybean. I didn't even see you. You're sneaking up on me. There you go. Why you be so jumpy? I have to bring my cup. I used to fill up the cat food with. Well, let's go find the others. Hello, my little princess. Hi, Prince Panther. We're just in time for food. Come on, Panther. You have food already. Let your brother eat. Fine. I give in. There you are, Otter. Fine. It's your food. Are you trying to sneak by me? I see you. Does anyone know where Sugar and Spice and Stripey is? No? You guys have no idea? Okay. I was only asking. It's not like those two do not show up. And Stripey hardly ever stops by. He's usually sleeping somewhere.